Jai Swaminarayan, my dear students. I am Vitan Vora. I am a faculty of commerce at BAPS Swaminarayan Vidya Mandir, Valsad. Today, I will be speaking something about the commerce. You all have given the exams of 10th and now you will be wondering which field to take. If you have decided on coming to the commerce, very good, welcome. If you are still confused about what to take, science or commerce, then please watch this video and clear your confusions. What is commerce? Commerce means business. When I say business, it could be a grocery store or it could be a Reliance Industries. It could be a vendor on a street or it could be a Google. Commerce is everything which does business. Commerce in today's competitive era is a job giver. When today most of the people are job seekers, commerce provides jobs to lakhs and crores of people at a time. If you think about Google, if you think about Reliance, if you think about the diamond workers of Surat, you can realize that so many people are getting jobs due to commerce. If you want to be a worker, if you want to be a job seeker, you can easily go to science. But if you want to be the manager of all those job seekers, you have to go to commerce. Think about Chetan Bhagat. He has a science background, he has done IIT, but then he did IIM, that's MBA, that's commerce, and then he got a job as a banking sales executive. Think what happened. So that's the power of commerce we all are talking about. Now, whenever you are learning commerce, whenever you want to be a businessman, what you will need? You will need to keep a record of all the expense and incomes you have done. So that's one of the subjects of commerce, that is accountancy. Then you will need to analyze the market, you will need to get the figures, and you will need to decide what you want to do in the future of buying a product, selling a product, creating a product, or your sales techniques. For that you will need statistics. Then you need to keep a watch over the economics of the country, economics of the world, and for that you will learn the subject of economics. Then you will want to know the ancient thoughts on business, the recent thoughts on business by great businessmen. For that you will learn the subject of commerce management. Apart from that, the language is Gujarati and English, which is must for a better communication, because commerce without communication is like veins without bloods. And then computer is a must for everything. So these are the subjects you will be learning in the commerce field. Now remember one thing, whenever you are in a commerce, you don't mug up the books. You understand the concepts, try to add them into your lives and then work on them. This is not science. You just don't learn based on books. You should have that aptitude in you to take risks, take initiative, set up your individual things, set up or start up an individual task and go through with it. That's commerce, that's business. And if you are willing, then you are very welcome in this field. Make your decisions wisely. Thank you.